So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Dota 2 in your PC and laptop in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. Make sure you have Steam installed in your PC. In order to install Steam, what you have to do is open any web browser you like. For my case, I'm just going to use Microsoft Edge and search for Steam download. Once you do this, just click on this download button which is below welcome to Steam. Just click on this and click on install Steam. Once you do this, this will install an installer for Steam, and after you run the installer, it will install Steam in the default location. Once the installation completes, you will find the Steam application on your desktop here. Just run this application and this will open your Steam. After opening Steam, you just have to search for Dota 2. Click on Dota 2 and then scroll down a bit. Here you'll find play game. Just click on play game and it will ask you where to install the game, and then click on install. So this will install the game completely and will send it to your library. You just have to go over to your library and find your game, click on that and then click on play. After that your game should work fine, and yes, this is how you can do it guys. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.